Who was the inventor of frozen food? Now, that's a very interesting question. Very rarely we actually go to it. So, the answer to this question is Mr. Clarence Birdseye was the person who actually invented it. He was the also inventor of double belt freezer as well. He was a scientist, an inventor, an adventurer. So, this is the sample of as one of the frozen food which we possibly can see. And then again, he was the person who was very inquisitive about learning things and getting new things to the humankind's lives to change or to live their life well balanced. So he went on a trip to Labrador wherein he actually accompanied Eskimos, and he found out that the way they live their life, he actually could take out something from it, and he brought that idea and built a multi-billion-dollar company which we still are seeing today. Thank you.